Hello guys, Telos Works 2.0 is here. All funding to the previous worker proposal system on Telos has ceased, and all new worker proposals will now go through Works 2.0. In this video, we are going to walk through the process of submitting a proposal on the new Works 2.0 using the SQRL wallet. SQRL Wallet version 1.2.1 introduces Works 2.0 functionality, so if you do not have this version or a more recent version, you are going to need to upgrade. This can be done by visiting sqrlwallet.io and downloading for either Mac, Windows, or Linux. Now let's get into the process of submitting a proposal on the new Works 2.0 using the SQRL Wallet. Here I am in SQRL Wallet, and I am on at least version 1.2.1. And the first thing we need to do is unlock the wallet. So click Unlock and input your password. Next, head to the Governance tab and select Proposals. Here you will see the Works 2.0 proposal page. And to submit a new proposal, simply click Submit New Proposal. On this first page, you will give your proposal a title, a detailed description, and select a category. There are 4 different categories to choose from: apps, development, education, and marketing. So pick the category that best suits your proposal. Once you are done, click Next. On this page, you will submit your actual worker proposal document by selecting Choose File and select your document to upload. Once that is done, click Next. On this page, you will enter the desired amount of funding you are seeking to receive and the number of milestones. Milestones is a new feature in the Works 2.0 system, similar to the cycles, but with milestones, you can request different amounts of funding for each milestone. So in this example, I'm requesting 1,000 TLOS over 2 cycles, and you can see default it's set up for 500 TLOS in the first milestone, 500 TLOS in the second milestone. These can be different. So I can do 600 in the first, 400 in the second, but the sum of all milestone TLOS must equal your requested amount you input up here. So 600 plus 400 equals 1,000. It checks out. If they were different, you would get a warning. So if 600 plus 300 is only 900. I'm requesting 1,000. The sum of all milestones does not match the total amount requested. Please correct this and try again. 400. You can set up your proposal with anywhere between 1 and 12 milestones. Once you check over your values and confirm everything is correct, click Confirm. Check over all the details you input through all 3 steps. You can go back if something is wrong. If not, click Submit Draft. Draft proposal submitted successfully. So now my Works 2.0 tutorials on SQRL is now in the Worker Proposals section of SQRL in drafting status. And to expand the details, click here. From here, I can either go back and edit the proposal, delete the proposal, or start the ballot. Up until this point, no proposal fee has been deducted from my account. That happens when you start ballot. So to push your proposal live and start the voting, click Start Ballot. This action will open your proposal for voting, and you will be charged the fees associated with submitting your proposal. 5% of your total requested amount, plus a 30 TLOS ballot fee. So if you are ready to open your proposal for voting, click Start Ballot. At this point, your proposal is now open for voting. You'll see it in progress in the status section. And with Works 2.0, there is the option to cancel your proposal. So there you have it. That is how you submit a worker proposal in the new Works 2.0 on SQRL Wallet. If you have any questions on Works 2.0, head over to the Telos Telegram group. And if you need SQRL Wallet support, head over to the SQRL Telegram group. There will be a link below to the tutorial on voting on the new Telos Works 2.0 in SQRL Wallet. So if you want to see that in action, go check out that video. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.